Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Crofton local and long-distance movers near me. When you are relocating miles away, you need a professional moving company to accommodate your long-distance move. Whether you are reshifting to a new city, state, or crossing borders, our moving team will ensuring a smooth moving experience. Leave every moving-related activity to us, from supplying packing materials to transporting your things. Our moving team will handle everything. We work professionally, are experienced in executing moving processes, and offer all of the following moving solutions. We offer everything from supplying packing materials to packing and unpacking services for your long-distance move. We are punctual with our services without any delays or cancellations of your scheduled move. We encourage open communication throughout the entire moving process. You can call us at any moment to inquire about trip progress. We are entrusted to complete our responsibilities in a careful and organized manners. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Crofton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.